Coach Nes Pomilar and the rest of the Lady Tamaraos ahead again here, 16-13. Also a set ahead in this first match.
Si Coach Nes Pomilar, mami na rin ang puting buhok niya.
Matagal-tagal na rin yan. Matagal-tagal na rin yan.
Matagal. Kaibigan natin si Coach Nes. Kaya, no? Kitang-kita mo naman. Very serious yan. Pero yung puting buhok niya, hindi na dumadami. Setter
din yan si Coach Nes, di ba?
Hindi na dumadami yung puting buhok niya.
Yun na nga.
Dati nang puti.
Matagal nang ganyan yan eh.
Coach Nes Pomilar.
Fashion na niya yan.
Fashion na yan. Kasama na sa pagiging Nes Pomilar yan.
Exactly. Parang ano niya yan. Signature look. 17-13. And you calls the timeout. Let's listen to Coach Francis.
Pumapalo pa mga kasama mo. Gusto mo, nandito ka na kagad. Anong papaluin mo? Hindi ka nga pinagpapawisan, hindi ka tumutulong sa loob eh. Ay, Diyos ko naman oh. Ang ganda ng receive. Pinalo niya, pinaka-check ball niya. Kaya mong kunin kasi wala ka sa pwesto. Hindi ka nakapwesto. Gusto mo kagad umupensa. Hindi, dumipensa ka muna. Attack coverage muna. Bawi, lumalamang na yung kalabang. Bawi. Yan nyo. Gawin nyo yung dapat yung gawin.
13 for NU, 17 for FEU.
Coach Francis talking to Pablo almost exclusively in that timeout, no? You gotta make sure that you first cover for your teammate before you really backpedal all the way and just wait for that set going to you.
Oh, nobody getting it again. Things have turned around here in the second set.
NU really is so predictable right now. Whenever Nepomucenu's in the back row, wala talagang opensa na nakakalusot. But when she's in front, ayan, kita mo, tuloy-tuloy. There you go.
Pablo with a kill. Much needed point. Now Aganon will come back. Mandapat will enter the match for the first time. Replacing Dadang.
Naghahanap ng kombinasyon itong si Coach Francis. Ganda nung play.
Wow, look at that. Combination.
For Vargas. And you know that they're enjoying. You can see it clearly how they react to that. Good play. Good setup by Giselle. Look at that. Combination and, you know, itang butas na butas yung block.
Vargas now will serve for FEU. And that's out. Vargas who hails from Olongapo City, Zambales. 15 serving 19 now. Byron also showed a lot of promise from last year's batch.
Solid block by Kai.
They're getting points from the block. Talking about NU, it's the attacking part that they're having problems with.
Ito, matangkad na front line to. Pablo, Aganon, and Nepomuceno.
Sanibad pushes Aganon so she could set up Nepomuceno. Agno was there. Off speed. Great adjustment by Baniel.
That's true. Nananganin yung set, short, medyo bitin.
Pero yung approach niya, akala mo, pasa, no?
And saw that there were two blockers, very tall blockers in front of her. Just gave it that off speed and the point was there.
Free ball for FEU. Eulalio gets it through the block. Salibad underhand by Ron. Daniel was there. Regalo para kay Nepomuceno.
Nice play. Again, look at the points. Just when you just bring up these points whenever Nepomuceno's in front.
Good to the Coach Nes dito. Daniel moves out.
7, Nabitan in.
And Nabitan back in. C Back row to Vargas. Great block. Ball is still alive. FEU. Quick. Dapat not low enough for that attack.
That's right. He was moving back already instead of moving forward. So nung maiksi yung bola,
Hindi naka-admit.
yeah, that's
Gusto,
right.
alanganin.
Eulalio.
Credit that to
FEU.
Giselle C and Eulalio communicating well on that attack. They're ahead 21, serving 17. This time Rojas checks Nepomuceno.
Ooh!
Bitin. It's not really working for Coach Francis right now.
Papasikot si Coach Francis sa sideline.
Trying to think whether he's gonna call a timeout or not.
FEU now at a 5-point lead, 22 serving 17.
So Eulalio continues to serve. FEU already won the first set. And a free ball for FEU. They go to the lefty.
Same thing.
Rojas.
And the defensive end still hasn't read that play. Di pa nila nababasa.
Doon lagi ang
Doon lagi.
bola.
Sa isang lugar.
Timeout. FEU.
Ano ba yun? Pinasok ka para dumipensa. Ba't pinapanood mo lang? Pumasok ka na, Sese. Pumasok ka na. Baka himatayin dyan sa loob yan. Ha? Okay, pagpasok mo, papasukin mo si Myla nasa loob. Okay? O, tapos palta mo si Sese. Wala tayong pag-asa niyang ganyan laro ninyo. Okay? Let's go. Play pa tayo, hindi pa tapos. Let's go. Enyo. Receive lang na maayos.
So I think that timeout was directed to Riza Mandapat.
Mandapat, yeah. And she's gonna be replaced by Dadang. According to Coach Francis, baka himatayin pa raw sa court eh. Siguro she's really not, you know. I saw Coach Francis talking to Mandapat and showing her, pointing at the scoreboard. Siguro hindi na rin si Mandapat. Malapit na matapos tong set na to.
Ganon. Oh, 3. Tamaraos diving for it. That's a tough set by Saliban. Going down on her knees and still able to set up Maricar Nepomuceno. Look at this again. The low reception, look at that. That's tough. A lot of people think that's easy.
Yun kasi walang power coming from your legs eh. Talagang all wrist yun. Yung power ng set na yun.
And she's not really short. She's not one of the shorter setters we have in the baba.
Oh, that set. Really impossible.
Yep.
Di man lang mo mga pilitin naman habulin nila. It's not gonna happen.
So we are at set point here.
Point FEU.
24. Serving 18.
Nice serve.
Serve,
Ooh.
but it sails out. Hindi bumaba. Oh, no. Walang spin yung bola eh.
Good floater.
Oh.
Until it landed on
Bulang
the
lang.
ice.
Oh, bulang lang.
Nepomuceno serving.
Chance here for National U to salvage something here in this second set. But Nepomuceno is behind now. C. Rojas. Checked. Vargas takes a peek at the defense. Kaya hindi pinalo. Sumilip po na.
Alam niya.
And another win by FEU. They're making it look easy again. They're hoping to duplicate what happened last Wednesday. And that is to win in straight sets. This time it is 25-19. Back in a moment here, Studio 23.